Helo, sut ydach chi? Yr wythnos hon, da ni am ddysgu sydd i ofyn cwestiwn. This week we're going to learn how to ask questions in Cymraeg. The first sentence structure, ga I, meaning may I and may I have. Here are some examples. Ga I weld y meddyg? Ga I weld y meddyg? Weld or gweld means to see. You'll notice that gweld has softly mutated to weld after the I. Ga I weld, may I see. Y meddyg, the doctor. Ga I weld y meddyg, may I see the doctor. Ga I fanylion personol y claf? Ga I fanylion personol y claf? Manylion personol, personal information. And again, the M has softly mutated to an F. So manylion has mutated to fanylion. Y claf, the patient. Ga I fanylion personol y claf? Can I have the patient's personal information? Ga I fanylion personol y claf? Ga I baned o goffi? Ga I baned o goffi? Paned, meaning a cup of. Coffee, coffee. Ga I baned o goffi? May I have a cup of coffee? Sgynnoch, meaning do you have? You will also hear people say oes sgynnoch, but sgynnoch, do you have? Sgynnoch gur pen? Sgynnoch gur pen? Gur pen is a headache, your pen being your head. And a gur, or a cur, again mutated from a C to a G, is an ache. Sgynnoch gur pen? Do you have a headache? Sgynnoch boen yn eich stumog? Sgynnoch boen yn eich stumog? Boen, with a P, boen, meaning pain, and stumog is stomach. Sgynnoch boen yn eich stumog? Do you have a pain in your stomach? Sgynnoch gwestiwn? Sgynnoch gwestiwn? Do you have a question? Sgynnoch gwestiwn? Again, you'll notice the C in question has softly mutated to a G. Ach chi'n. Are you? Also meaning, do you? Dach chi'n. Dach chi'n feichiog? Dach chi'n feichiog? Feichiog, to be pregnant. So are you pregnant? Dach chi'n feichiog? Dach chi'n teimlo'n well bore yma? Dach chi'n teimlo'n well bore yma? Teimlo'n well, to feel better. Teimlo, to feel. Well, better. Bore yma, this morning. Dach chi'n teimlo'n well bore yma? Are you feeling better this morning? Dach chi isio help i gerdded? Dach chi isio help i gerdded? Help, meaning help. Gerdded, which is softly mutated to a G rather than a C. Gerdded, to walk. Do you need help to walk? Dach chi isio help i gerdded? Quick recap. Ga I, may I or may I have. Sgynnoch chi, do you have? Dach chi'n, are you or do you?